Hi, so now I'm going to talk about the connective tissue, and its main component is going to be the ground substance, which is made of proteins and fibers, specifically glycoproteins, proteoglycans, and glycosaminoglycans. So the connective tissue has different functions depending on the type of connective tissue, right? So it supports, it protects, it connects different tissues together or different organs. It also transports nutrients and gases. It protects, I think I already mentioned it. And what am I missing? Stores fat. So there are 3 different types of connective tissue. We have fibrous or proper connective tissue. We have supportive connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. So when we're talking about fibrous connective tissue, we are going to have loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Within the loose connective tissue, we have adipose tissue, reticular loose connective tissue, and areolar loose connective tissue. But if we move to dense connective tissue, we can say that we have dense irregular connective tissue and dense regular connective tissue. So right here on my video, here's an example of dense irregular connective tissue. All right, so what else? So we're done with the fibers. Now I'm going to move on with the supportive connective tissue. And we have 2 major exponents, which are bones and cartilage. So the cells in bones are the osteocytes, and in cartilage we have chondrocytes, and we have different types, right? So we have hyaline cartilage, we have elastic cartilage, and we have fibrocartilage. Done with that. Then we have fluid connective tissue, blood, and it helps us transport nutrients and gases and waste. So now I have to provide 2 examples of organs with connective tissue. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the dermis of the skin, and it contains dense irregular connective tissue, like you see here in my picture. And I'm also gonna pick the femur, which is a bone, and so it has supportive connective tissue. And I'm also going to pick cartilage, specifically hyaline cartilage, and we can find it in between the ribs, intercostal ribs, or in the joints of or within joints that have smooth movement. What else? I think that's it. It's only 2 examples that I have to give. So I said the dermis of the skin that has dense irregular connective tissue, and so that would be fibrous connective tissue. So dense irregular fibrous connective tissue, and the femur or bone, which is supportive connective tissue. That's it. Any cartilage, which has also supportive, which is also supportive connective tissue. And that's all I have to say for my video to get extra credit for my anatomy and physiology lab. Thank you.